Lee Sparta hospitalized. Guys, welcome back to the Sauna room. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely turn on your notification bell and leave a comment below. Lee Sparta was rushed to the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James after experiencing vomiting while in lockup on Thursday. His lawyer, Ernest, confirmed the development. He was taken to the Cornwall Regional Hospital for treatment and subsequently discharged. Lee Sparta is spending his second weekend behind bars at the Freeport Police Station in Montego Bay, St. James. Smith said he is convinced that the lawmen are deliberately keeping the dancehall DJ detained despite not being charged. The entertainer has been in custody since Tuesday, July 7th, 2020. The police indicating the final session was Friday at 7 a.m. that is July 17, 2020. The question and answer session took place. I was advised by the senior officer that the police have no further interest in him and that he would be released today, that is yesterday, Friday, July 17, 2020. They are punishing Mr. Russell without just cause, he continued. Leroy Russell is Lee Sparta's given name. Early last week, Lee Sparta was requested to report to the Freeport Police Station in relation to the upsurge of violence in the flankers community in St. James. He was detained under the current state of public emergency SEO in St. James. Under the state of emergency, that's the SEO, what can be done is they can have a person in lockup for up to 90 days. Lee Sparta has been in several bushings with the law. He was listed as a person of interest by the police in 2014 and 2017 for shooting incidents. He was, however, questioned and released. In 2015 in Montego Bay, the police prevented the artist, that's Lee Sparta, from performing at the Red Stripe Reggae Sunfest based out of fear that the patrons will not be safe. So Lee Sparta has been in constant running with the police and back and forth, and even in one of his songs he said the only thing in fear I just got on cops. So it's serious. So guys, what I want you to do is leave a comment in the comment section below. I want to hear your views. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. This is the Sauna Room, where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.